Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to remove member from TikTok group. Alright, it's very easy. Now let's get started with the process. The first step to take is to open your TikTok application, and then from your FYP click on inbox at the bottom of your screen. Now right here you're going to see all your notifications together with your group chats. Now this is my group chat, this one, gamers, right here at the top. Now I'm going to select that one. Alright, so let me click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now as you can see, these are my group members right here in this group. If I want to remove any one of this person, all I have to do is this. I'm going to click on the three dots next to any of the username, and as you can see right here, I have the option to remove from group. I'm going to click on remove from group, and then this person will be removed from my TikTok group chat. So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.